Hi everyone, I'm Professor McBroom. Today I want to discuss planning, implementing, and evaluating marketing strategies. Now I know strategy might sound like something you hear CEOs talk about, but actually it's something you experience every day as a consumer, and you'll definitely use it if you're running a business. So why does strategic planning matter? Strategic planning is basically a roadmap for where a company is headed. It starts with the mission statement, the why. For example, Tesla, their mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. That message drives decisions about which cars to build, what technologies to invest in, and even how they market themselves. It's not just about selling cars, it's about fitting every decision into the bigger picture. One of the most useful tools is the SWOT analysis. It looks at strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Imagine you're opening a local coffee shop. Your strength, a unique recipe for cold brew. Your weaknesses, limited budget for advertising. An opportunity, people in your area are switching from chain coffee to local sustainable options. A threat, Starbucks is opening 2 blocks away. By mapping this out, you can see where to compete. Maybe you push hard on local community branding, something a big chain can't easily copy. That's how companies have competitive advantage. Companies also need to know how to grow. The Boston Consulting Group gave us the famous market growth market share matrix with categories like stars, cash cows, dogs, and question marks. Take Apple as an example. The iPhone is definitely a star, huge market share and growth. The Mac computers is more of a cash cow, steady revenue but not explosive growth. The old iPad, that's a dog now because it's discontinued. This framework helps businesses decide where to invest money and resources. Of course, having a great plan is one thing, but implementation is where strategies succeed or fail. Think about Netflix. Their strategy is to offer an ad supported subscription tier. Sounded smart on paper, but it only works if the company communicates clearly, prices it right, and convinces both advertisers and customers. That's implementation. Or a decentralized one like Google, where teams innovate independently. The way you structure decision making really affects how fast and effectively plans roll out. Finally, no plan is complete without evaluation. Companies consistently ask, are we hitting our goals? Are we getting the returns we expected? Take CVS's decision to stop selling tobacco products in 2014. They lost billions in revenue, but it aligned with their mission to be a health focused company. Their evaluation wasn't just financial, it was about long term brand trust. That's a performance standard, too. So, to sum it up, marketing strategy isn't just about ads or promotions, it's a cycle. You plan carefully, you implement effectively, and you evaluate honestly. And the best part, you can use these same principles and apply it to your own career planning. A personal SWOT analysis can help you figure out your strengths, areas to improve, and opportunities you can grab after graduation or even now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more marketing insights, and drop a comment below. Which company do you think has the most effective marketing strategy today? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.